boss men and boss ladies. Last time I tell you say variables na boxes wey we take dey store values wey we go use later for our program. One of the reasons why these variables dey so important na because say you fit use them save any kind data. You fit use them save words wey be strings. You fit use them save sentences wey be strings. You fit use them save numbers. You fit use them save boolean wey be true or false, and you fit use them save undefined and null values. Another thing wey you guys know na say you fit change the value of your variable later in the program. For instance, if you store the name variable of my page as let name variable equal to code switch, you fit later change them to let main variable equal to code switch.ng or anything else that you want to. You also guys must say some programming languages no they allow changing of variable values depending on the keyword where you use. For instance, if you use const set your variable for JavaScript, it means say you no go fit change that at all. Next time, I will show you what you fit do with all these variables and how you fit join them together to write code like better programmer. Don't forget to like and follow this page for more videos. Thank you for your attention to this matter.